Hiya, Shwmai. Lovely to see you again. Let's finish off our first Suru crane together, shall we? Now, where were we? Fold the top triangular flaps into the centre and unfold. Fold the top corner down to meet the centre, crease and unfold. Open the top flap, bringing it upwards and press the sides of the model in at the same time. Flatten and crease well. This bit can be a bit tricky, so take your time with it. Flip the paper and repeat what you've just done on the other side. Right, concentrate now. The next few steps are what will take your bird base into a beautiful crane, but it is probably the trickiest bit. So you should have two legs like this. I can just walk about anyway, or jump. It's up to you. Go for a little walk. Funny. Improvised comedy. Fold the legs up, crease well, and unfold. No. No, no, no. Rubbish. Ooh, come on. Fold the legs up, crease well, and unfold. Inside, reverse the legs along the creases you made. Oh gosh. Oh, here we are. It's not too bad. Inside reverse fold one side to make the crane's head. Then fold down the wings. Well, look at that. We've done it. Our first origami crane. Not bad, is it?